Good afternoon everyone. I am Dr Vishal V Khante from Kamineni Hospital, B Nagar King Koti. This is a special case, Mr. Mallesh, who had come to us with mitral regurgitation where one valve of the heart is leaking. There are two options to do this surgery. Either we can simply replace the valve, put a new valve, which will put him on lifelong blood thinning medicine, which is not a good situation in this young patient, working patient. So we have repaired this valve. We have done a mitral valve repair, which is itself a very rare operation. On the same time, we have done this with minimal invasive approach. What is minimal invasive approach is, normally heart surgeries are done by cutting the sternum and opening it. Where breastbone is cut, it takes little longer time for healing of bone as it is as the bone is cut. Here we have operated by a small incision in the chest, no bone is cut, and whole operation is done through this small incision. Patient recovery is very fast. Patient can go to work in 15-20 days according to his healing process. If you can see, patient was operated 4-5 days ago and today he is ready to discharge, speaking, talking, walking on his own. He is a lorry driver and I hope so he will be able to drive his lorry on 20th day or 3 weeks from his operation, which saves his time, money. In a way, employability and patient satisfaction is very much in this operation. So this operation is very rare in this context, that already a rare operation of mitral repair is done from a minimal approach, which is in itself a rare combination. So I am glad that patient is good and I am happy for the hospital for supporting it. Thank you.
నా పేరు దివ్య. మా హస్బెండ్ మల్లేష్. మా హస్బెండ్కి హార్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది. హార్ట్లో ఒక వాల్ లీక్ అవుతుందని చెప్పారు. వేరే హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్తే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాము. సార్ సర్జరీ చేయాలని చెప్పారు. చేశారు థర్స్డే రోజు. ఇప్పుడు పర్వాలేదు, బాగున్నారు. స్టాఫ్ అంతా మంచిగా రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నారు. సర్జరీ కూడా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా జరిగింది. మా హస్బెండ్ ఇప్పుడు బాగున్నాడు, నడుస్తున్నాడు, మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు సరిగ్గా. డాక్టర్ విశాల్ గారు మమ్మల్ని చాలా బాగా రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నారు. సర్జరీ కూడా చాలా బాగా చేశారు.